Previously in Naples.
All of a sudden you look at that side.
Exactly, all of a sudden you look at bush. What you running for?
I'm gonna giggle.
Taking care of everybody and the birthday girl.
Hungry.
What y'all doing?
Let's go. Wait.
Casey, come say hi to my vlog. You need a minute to do what? Only can do the you wanna do that again.
What?
I got the Black Forest, our favorite cake. As you can see, I'm outside where the hot tub and the pool is.
Up in your feet. Yeah. You do the same.
Got me a rum runner. Oh my gosh, the sunset is beautiful. This is the Naples Pier. Oh, so I guess this side is where you do your canoeing. And then you have the beach on this side. That's what I'm getting. I just saw the thing. Oh, there it is. Oh, I got it. I got it on camera. I miss mom out this side. Hey, go little Uzi, 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 go little. What my mom doing?
It's getting cold outside, I might have to cuff up. I thought I wanted, but that was for summer. I might have to grab the casa, mix it with the bummer. Mix it with the, I'm a big bull, why she keep on rubbing on my belly? I got the peanut butter, mix it with the jelly. And I got some sugar, I might put it in spaghetti. She just let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Got my cappuccino. Got our food. I got my breakfast burrito.
You want some?
I'll just see how it looks.
And then we still waiting for Danny. What else? Egg what? Oh, okay. And you got your fries and sandwich. What I tell? What I tell other? Okay. What's up, KK gang? We are back. We are here at the Edison Mall. We are in Fort Myers. Fort Myers. My first time in Fort Myers. So we came at the mall to get my brother a sneakers, and then I'm gonna get like a t-shirt or something for my cousin. You know, he's going back home tomorrow, so I think this is a new vlog. Is it? Casey leaving us tomorrow. Dang. Yes, guys. Why are you guys walking into Dillard's? All right, we have to find a map and look at the map where the shoe stores are. Oh, we are at the mall. Say what's up to my vlog. Yeah, you. Say hi, guys. Which one then now? In there? Where you are, Peter? Peter just a tour of the world. What Peter then? You know? All right, guys. So, what's that? Oh, okay. All right, guys. We're gonna find the shoe store and then I'll get back to you. How much fees? So why over this at $300? Damn. That's crazy. Probably. Let me see if I see anything in here that I would wear. Are the black ones? You know what they're again? I know the first sale for 110. Real? What size? Oh, what size you wear? 8. I didn't say you want a which store you want a shirt from? It match your shirt. I don't know, man. Still outside shopping. Shopping with the birthday girl. KK beauties. I'm finally home. Finally, after a long drive, long journey. I am so tired. And I have work early in the morning. It's Sunday night. So I got home, took a shower, unpacked, got something to eat, started laundry because I usually do laundry every Saturday, and like I wasn't here yesterday, so now I'm starting the laundry. So yeah, as you can see from the previous vlog before this one, we were in Naples. Then we drove to Fort Myers to the mall. We just went to Fort Myers to the mall because that was the closest mall from where we were having breakfast in Naples. So we drove to Fort Myers to the mall. When we went to the mall, we went to like 5 different shoe store. He saw the sneakers that he wanted, but he didn't see the color. So we end up buying it online. And this beanie, like, this beanie that he wanted to go with the sneakers. So we didn't get much from the mall. We didn't get like the most important things that we went there for. But I'm just grateful that we made it home safely from that long journey. It was 2 hours and almost 30 minutes. Like, it was yeah. We made a couple stops because, we did rest stops, gas station, got snacks, stuff like that. So we did make a couple stops that kind of made the journey longer. But like I said, thank you, Lord, for taking us home safely. My mom lives like 45 minutes away from me, so I had to take them home first and then I drove home. So, I am like super tired. Plus, my cousin Casey, he's leaving us tomorrow. He's going back to New York tomorrow. And Casey is my uncle's son, which that's my mom's brother. So my mom's brother's son. So that's how we're cousins. Yeah, so he'll be going back home tomorrow to New York. It was a fun family vacation, a nice get together for us, Haven't seen him in like probably like 3-4 years since we've last seen him. So it was good to see him and, spend time and have fun together and stuff like that. But he has to go back home for school, and my brother will be going back to school. They're teenagers. So, yeah, and that's it. So now I'm going to get some rest so my face can look refreshed again. I'm going to wrap my hair up. My silk press is not silk pressing anymore. But my K beauties and my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching these vlogs that are coming out back to back. Like I said, go check out my last vlog. It's kind of sort of a part 1 of this vlog. So go check it out with what we did in Naples as a family. And then you could, see where this vlog is stemming from. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.